Hey guys, welcome to my mini course on gig hacking. This initiated from a video I had done roughly about a month and a half to a month ago, and I got an enormous amount of feedback through direct message and comments asking to expand on the topic and the opportunities. So the initial video, which I'm going to be expanding on, is about how to go from either making nothing or having a part-time income to creating full-time income using the gig economy, meaning doing small gigs, even larger projects using platforms like Fiverr.com, Upworks.com, or freelancer.com, and the likes of. There are many of these platforms out there now, but we'll be looking on how to hack your gigs on these platforms, and we're going to be mostly looking here at the B2B business model, meaning a service or product that you're offering to another business. We're not going to be looking at business to consumer or business to government. We're going to be purely focused on B2B. And B2B is where the money is, so we'll leave it at that. So basically, I just want to get started by explaining a few high-level points. The future of gig hacking is extremely powerful and extremely bright. A few high-level issues I want to point out to you, which are big opportunities. Number one is that gig hacking is growing, the gig economy is growing at 50% annually, and that rate of growth is dramatically accelerating. And there's been about $1.28 trillion last year in the US alone generated just from the gig hacking economy. About 11% of those, and about 11% of those who have actually gone into this have done it because of the motivation of trying to develop and grow more income. And finally, 61% of the US workforce has been freelancing last year. Now, freelancing, they may not be using some of the gig platforms, they may be freelancing in other forms, but the mass majority of the actual workforce is working on freelance opportunities. So through this course, we're going to cover three things. We're going to look at the future, we're going to look at what I call how to develop your domain offering, and then finally, we're going to look at collaboration, how to create value. So we're going to take a deeper look into these 3 points and then step back and recap how to bring these three things together. So let's get started. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, like the video, share your comments. See you in the next video.